What's up, guys? So we are going to the Myrtle Beach boardwalk, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, and I'm going to take lots of videos.
I think so.
There, so it's gonna be about a half-hour drive. Look at Alex. So I'm trying to get the vlog up, but it's gonna be a while. So yeah, I'll see you when we get to the park. Alright, so forgot to say that when we get there, we're actually do this, like, you know, at Kings Island, they have a slingshot thing. We're gonna try to do that, and we're gonna try to get a video of it, and then try to put it in the vlog. But if not, we still did it, so deal with it. So yeah. Alright, so we made it, and we're gonna do this later today. But we're going to, I have no idea. Let's go this way or this way. Which way? Alright, so we're just walking along, looking for something to do. It's gonna be pretty scary though. So I'll check in with you guys when we get to whatever we're gonna do first. Right, so me and Alex were just walking along the street, and a guy in the store's like, "Hey, come in here right now." And we're like, "All right."
I kept saying, I'll come in here.
He's like, "Hey, we got some knives. You want some knives?" And I'm like,
Did he actually say that?
Yeah. He said, "Do you want some knives? Do you want some knives? We got some knives. Some things you might like. Here, come and let me take it." I'm like, "All right." So, yep, that. Alright, so we're at Ripley's, believe it or not.
Tickets are only $15 a person.
Look at this. You want to do it?
Yeah?
Optimus Prime. And we got this ball that floats. So I'm pretty sure we're going to go do this. So, let's see if we can get in there. Alright, so we're in Ripley's, believe it or not. And here's the tour. We got this girl. Weird.
Yeah.
What?
I don't think you're going to touch that.
Nuts and bolts puppy.
Dude, that's all made out of staples.
These are all staples. Staple art C-3PO. Oh, this is a human lizard. I know. Vampire woman. Long-necked women.
26-year-old Paris is investigating the conversation. He's the center of attention wherever he goes. Just as the word self-expression used to look like.
So the unit right now probably is completely scale and other various processes to
Well, alright, we're gonna show you when we get up there.
Well, your choice is yours. You may believe it or not.
Whoa, ratch. I'm fighting and guy. Oh, dude, is this Horace?
Yes, it is.
Whoa. My friend, like, at my mom's house is like, he thinks he is Horace.
I'm gonna doubt that.
Maybe this is him. What's up, Kyle? Video.
At that time, over 2.5 million people paid over $1 million to see Ripley's collection of oddities in modern history. Believe it
Whoa.
or not.
That's like 9 feet tall.
Bob
You could
Ripley's
dunk
quest
like
for
so
the
easy.
unusual, the strange, and the incredible have been highlighted at exhibits just like the one you're in
Off
since
man
the
world.
early 1930s.
Wait,
They were
wait
first
for it.
referred to as Believe It or Not auditoriums and have been present since his first auditorium at the Chicago World's Fair.
Oh, Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
I can fly. Oh, this girl, she can fly. I'm trying to figure this out. Why is the flash on? Put your arm out like this.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Hold your foot up like that.
Hold your foot out.
Like this.
We're waiting for the people.
Whoa. He's like flying. Now stick your head out this way.
Come on, you can do it. The Wizard of Oz.
Whoa.
Okay, boys.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, you can't really see it.
Surprise.
Yeah.
See, this was his. This was the guy. That's his hand.
Dead woman. Iron Maiden. Yeah, creepy woman right there. I will. Like,
All his
whoa.
life, Ripley loved strange people and weird places, like this large tomb containing the only remains of a murdered queen. The Chinese haunted
Look at this guy. He's all weird and has a head.
You might call
Let's
it
go in here.
nature's fast food. It's easy to prepare. Just strain and saute. No waste.
Let's do
Nothing
it.
to clean up. Just bite-sized morsels of pure
Well, what's
protein.
over here before we
And
Yeah,
once
I know.
they stop squirming, everyone agrees they're delicious. One of the real delicacies of bush eating is the crockett. These things aren't easy to catch,
No,
so
it's
when they're
not.
cooked and served,
They're
it's a
not?
cause
That's
for
what
celebration.
says there's a head
They're big, too. One crock will feed 40. The whole village can share the meal. And, of course, everyone has their favorite part. But like turkey at Christmas, the big attraction is plenty of leftovers.
Put Skididdy in here. Is it over?
No, one second. I actually want to look.
Alright, it says enter if you dare. You guys can't see,
My
but I'm
large
about
feet. Look at them. Also, I'm very short. There's a button here. I'm gonna press it. Doesn't do things.
Doesn't even do things. Look at my feet.
Doesn't do things.
Yeah, they're good. It's like I do leg day too
Whoa,
much.
dude, I got like super long socks. Look at them. Whoa.
Whoa.
What's going on here? It's like, what's up?
Whoa, dude, I got like 2 feet. Like 3.
Maybe like ultra.
What's this?
That is. Maybe like press the button and do something here. Huh.
Well, here's sharks. Ready?
Dude, you totally like. You totally go like. It's not working.
Hadouken! Hadouken! Hadouken, 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 Hadouken. Dude, no, it's like, I got the sound of the beat.
It's like a rave.
Whoa. Dude, it's like the doctor changing. Look at these. Look at these. Whew.
Scripts.
Drugs. There's a store. Earn Man. Hey, you ready to get jealous? Look at this. It says Believe it or not, this gate opens. Look for the solution in the room. We're about to go do that.
Are you ready
So
for
look,
this?
buddy.
I don't think you are.
Oh no.
Jeez. He's spinning that.
People. Look at this people. Whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
Do it. That's what I figured too, but I didn't push it hard enough. We got a mystery jewel in here.
Totally like a real guy.
Can you grab it? Oh, is this us? Oh wait, it's us. Look at this. Look at this. Look, dude, I'm so trippy right now. Why am I all pink? Oh, the video camera's right here. Alright, so we just finished Ripley's Believe It or Not. I'm gonna see this. We got this book.
That was only $2.
Yeah, $2. And we're about to go.
Well, there's some stuff in here that wasn't in the museum. Like this car.
Oh.
Look at this car. It's made out of yarn. And this car is made out of coins.
So yeah, we're about to go zip line.
Dude, that car's made out of crystals.
So we'll try to see if there's any footage, but try to go there. Going to the gate open. There's some. We're walking up the stairs. Oh gosh. Many stairs. Alright, we'll see. Lauren's got a smoothie and we're about to go do the slingshot, but if it's over like $15 per person, we're probably not gonna do it, but I hope it is because I want to do it really bad. So I'm gonna finish this. Alright, we got this. More for Ian because he likes this kind of stuff, but if Alex wants to do it anyway. But, alright, so I'll see you when we're finished with this. Just finished going to the boardwalk, and we're about to go back home, so I'll see you when we get back home. Let me turn the light on. So, we were in the ocean, and the waves were like crazy. They weren't even good. They were just good because of the wind. But it got so bad there was lightning. Everybody started leaving, so we went to the pool. And Alex's dad has a GoPro, so he threw it in the water, and I had it for like a few seconds, so I got some cool GoPro footage, like probably like 10, 15 seconds, but it should be pretty cool. So I'm gonna try to get that in there. So I'll see you when something comes up.